In this video, what is my plan is to, using Arduino 1010, to turn this LED on and off using Arduino Cloud. So in order to use Arduino Cloud, you need to install Arduino Create Agent, which should be running over here, as you see. So I installed, clicking here, and it is running great. So I have this Arduino Cloud website, and I don't have things. Things is kind of a project, so I don't have any dashboard, I don't have any devices. So I'd like to add device first, add a device, set up an Arduino device, and my device is connected as you see here. So let's see the Arduino Create to discover this one. It takes some time to find it. I'm gonna pause. Now it found it, and I'm gonna configure. It makes up some name. I will just say this is great. So the name is great. Just moving on. I don't have any sketch to upload, so I just want to connect. So you see what's going on here. There is nothing, and configuring second element. It's doing its own stuff. That's it. So I have this already added in a second. Done. Here is it. It's offline currently. We will be adding the Wi-Fi and other things. So let's go to things. Things is a project. I will create a project. The name is my project. This is just I give the project name so you can remember. So I need to add a variable, and this one I'd like to just have a boolean variable. So when I make it true, I will tie this with the switch. So say open or turn on. Just I will say open, turn on, and the type is boolean. You just type here, it will bring. So boolean, bool open, read, write, access, on, change. We want all of them. So it is added already, right? I didn't tie the device yet and didn't set the network yet. I will come back this later on. And I go to the dashboard, and there is nothing. Dashboard is a website kinda, and it will also be available through Arduino mobile app. So the name is, I will just say my dashboard. Okay. And I would like to add just a switch. You can add slider, and there are so much options here you can discover. I'm gonna add switch. This is gonna be on and off. I would like to tie this to my variable, which is boolean open, and it is all set. I can say the name is gonna be seen over there. That's okay. Show on and off labels. Yeah, if you want, you can have an on off. Done. So here it is. Things is here. This is cool, and devices are here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click this associated device. This is great. This is our device associated. This my project is associated with this great. This is cool. So I'm going to now configure my network. I just add my Wi-Fi, which is I have the school Wi-Fi. This is all set, but I didn't still upload it yet. So if you want, you can open full editor, which is like Arduino IDE, and it's available to you. So for the secret, this is my secret, and here it is. The code I have. These are, if you want to go in details, you can go. It is using SSID and pass. And this is my variable open. We just created. So this function is also added on open change. The implementation is in this file. So open, we are read, write, access. On change, we will be notified, and also this function will be called. So let's go to our function. Here is our function. If you want to go to details, you can look at. There are some setup, and these are standard thing. I just wanted you to focus over here, this part. So what is my plan is this. If open, I don't need to say if open is true, right? Because it is boolean. So if it is open, what I'm going to do is I'm going to digital write to what? An LED built-in, which is 6 for this one, but why to memorize anything? LED built-in, and it should be high when it is on. So else is, let's speed up this process. If it is off, I'm going to turn the LED off. Okay, then low. This is cool. So currently there's an LED you don't see here, but it is not on and off. So I'm going to load this, which is connected already. Check mark says that. So I'm gonna connect this. Here is our code. That's it. So let's see while it is loading. It is successfully uploaded, and I forgot the semicolon and I just edit this one. So if I go to the cloud and go to my dashboard, this is online. If you look at the status of my device is online, so it's connected. Go to dashboard and I click dashboard and look at this LED. When I turn on off, when I say on, the LED is on if you look at, and this is off if you look at the off here. That is the main thing I just want to show you. So what we have done in a nutshell, things are project. We created a project and we add one variable over here. Generally you add the variables over here, whatever the variable you want to add. There are so much thing you can add, and then you add your network information, and you connect your project with a device. If it is not connected, you can change this detach and change. If you have several devices, you can connect to that device. So dashboard is just a website, and you can add so much element here. Currently I just use this one, but you can use slider, other things. Okay, and for the code, if you want to reach the code, you get confused sometimes, you just click on project and go to the sketch. And if this is not, you want to use this one, you want to get a little bit Arduino IDE taste, just open this full editor, and then later on you code over here, and you can see your properties and all the variables and everything in the functions you add it, and that's it. Hope you like it. That's in a nutshell the Arduino Cloud.